Hello guys! Ay nako, ito na naman ang mga laagan. Nandito tayo ngayon. Ay, ang cute! Andito tayo ngayon sa loob ng Icon Siam, which is 20 minutes away galing dun sa aming first activity na Thai bus food tour. Bakit kami nandito? Dahil nandito po yung ticket sa next nating activity na gagawin. Ito guys, ito activity na to, para sabihin ko po kayo, sa 10 taon ko dito sa Thailand before, hindi po ako nakapag-experience nito. And I feel really bad na I did not do this for myself. At hindi ko rin nagawa to para kay mama. So this time, walang excuse. Gagawin talaga namin to. So this activity is the Chao Phraya Princess Cruise sa Chao Phraya River. Basically, sasakay po kami ng napakagandang bangka. Ayan, sobrang sosyal. At habang pinapanood namin ang city lights ng Bangkok, both mga buildings nila at mga temple. So it's a very, very scenic tour. And I'm excited. So, if you want to know more about what's going to happen tonight sa aming gala, guys, stay with us and keep on watching. Okay, first up, magbabayad yung ate ko. Siya po ang sponsor for today's activity. Ayan. Bayaran mo kami, sis. Wala kang choice. Akin na rin yung gold mo na relo, ha, mamaya. Ayan.
Giselle? Giselle,
Ayan. So, dito tayo bibili ng ating ticket. Tingnan natin tong kanilang leaflet. Ayan. So, eto po ang leaflet nila. Chao Phraya Princess with dinner, buffet dinner. It's a 2-hour journey sa extravagant, guys. Ngayon lang kami makakaramdam ni mama ng extravagant na buhay. Ang ganda. So, may itinerary din siya sa likod. Ayan. Kailangan nasa barko na kami before 7 o'clock ng gabi. And then, magsa-start yung tour ng 7:30. 2 hours, magkakaroon kami ng buffet and live music and tour of Bangkok via Chao Phraya River. And then, 9:30 tapos na kami at pwede na kaming umuwi. Ang ganda.
Okay, I'll go there? Yeah, 5:30.
Oh, how about for the child?
The share, 1,100 baht.
Okay, thank you.
Are you booking for 4 adult? Alright.
No, three
3 adult and 1
1, 2, 3,
child.
and 1 child.
3 adult and 1 child.
Yes, please.
This one, Peter, so he booking for 4 adult.
Oh, never mind. It's only 100 baht difference anyway. No problem.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you. Ayan guys, so normally po yung presyo ng tour na to, once again, it's extravagant. Sana hindi kami naka-underdress ngayon. Kita niyo yung ate ko, shout out. Sa Sheena Bangkok Wardrobe. Turn around please. Te, turn around for her outfit. Yan. From Sheena Bangkok Wardrobe, guys. Ang ganda. Akin yung bag mo mamaya, ah. Na-shout out na kita. Ayun. So, presyo po ay 1,500 baht per person. This is 2-hour extravagant tour sa tubig. Let's go in a cruise. And then, there's also a dinner buffet, which is very social. Ayan. Sana all. Makapag-social kami, guys, finally sa buhay namin. At 1,500 baht po ay nasa around 2,500 pesos per person. So, mahal, mother. Kaya mag-enjoy ka. Kainin mo ng marami hanggang next week. Magbaon ka na rin. Ipasok mo dyan sa bag natin. Oh, nice earrings. There.
Looks like you
Ma, tanong ako ng yellow. Ma-cute. As you can remember, guys, ayan, ang dami ditong mga... Oo. Wapo siya, no? Guys, baka nagtatanong kayo kung anong itsura ng toilet dito, guys. So, alam ko may magsasabi naman, Gabi naman si Madam, pati toilet. Baka sabihin niya, wala kaming alam. Hindi, guys. I-share natin. Iba pa din yung makita ninyo anong itsura ng toilet ng ibang lugar, ng ibang bansa. Kaya eto, ang kanilang toilet. Ayan, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng toilet nila, no? Oh, pwedeng magpa-picture. Oh, tingnan nyo dito. Ang toilet nila. I'm going to appreciate this place. Kaya ang ganda niya. Ayan, no? Oh, nakapabanga-banga yung mga yung kanilang mga sink. And then, meron siyang painting ng Thai-inspired. Ayan tayo, guys. Nagaganda-gandahan. Kami ni Yumi. Ang cute. Okay, mag-ihi muna tayo. Ay, ang ganda mo pa-picture kahit sa toilet, guys. Instagrammable. Sana all. Oh, Instagrammable. Wow. Ganda. Ayan, pag may anak kang kasama nagbabiyahe, dapat marunong kang masurpay, padiskarte ka. Katulad nito, ihing-ihi na ako, guys. At si Mayumi ay tulog na tulog. So, try natin mangihi dito.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, time check po natin right now. It's already 5:30 p.m. At time na po namin bumalik para bayaran yung aming reservation sa ating Chao Phraya River Cruise. So kapag sinabing Chao Phraya River Cruise guys, showtime na natin para balikan dahil yung ating Chao Phraya River Cruise ay magsisimula ng alas 7. Kailangan na natin i-claim yung ating ticket para makapunta na tayo doon at i-enjoy natin ang 2 oras mamaya. Mag-chill-chill. Dumaan na rin ako dito guys kasi naghahanap tayo ng mga souvenir na pwede nating madala pa uwi. Hindi lamang para sa personal kundi syempre benta-benta na din. Are you thirsty, love? Grabe talaga dito sa ano guys. I want everything but I'm not rich. But I want everything. Ang daming magaganda. Ito talaga yung napakaganda at namimiss ko sa Thailand guys. Ang dami-dami nilang ganap-ganap when it comes to negosyo. When it comes to business. When it comes to benta-benta. Hindi sila nauubusan ng idea. Ang galing talaga. Tsaka maganda dito guys. Hindi po sila nag-iinggitan. Kahit na magkatulad kayo ng business. Kahit na magkatabi kayo. Pero hindi sila nag-aawayan. Ayan. Ganyan kaganda dito yung kanilang business mindset. Ayan, kita nyo guys. Lahat po yan hanggang sa pinakadulo po ay puros po mga benta-benta. Ang gaganda oh, ang dami nilang idea palagi oh. Ayun. Hinahanap ko si Kuya Kahil. Ayun pala siya. He bought something nice because he's thirsty. Fresh up. Isa pa pala to guys sa kailangan yung ma-enjoy dito sa Thailand. Ang dami nilang fresh fruits and vegetables na inumin. They love organic food. They love fruit juice. They love salad. Avocado. What did you buy?
I got this one song.
2 ขอบคุณนะคะเท่าไหร่คะเท่าไหร่คะค่าเฮียว
Delicious.
เท่าไหร่เท่าไหร่ how much
It doesn't say.
เท่าไหร่คะพี่202 อันเดียวใช่ไหม200 for both.
So that means
Katulad nito guys, 3 bote ng maliliit na juice ay 100 baht. Ito malaki kasi ito eh. 120 baht daw to or around 200 pesos. Malaki siya, yan oh. So, ang cute. They set up like they were selling in a boat. Kasi water na yan dyan sa baba. Wow, this is kanom, Thai. Lahat ng klase ng snack ng Thailand, guys. Traditional. Very nice. I have no words. But, very good. Very good talaga sila guys sa negosyo. Sobrang creative nila. Hindi lang sa decoration, kundi pati pag-present ng pagkain nila. Paggawa ng snack. Mapalamig man yan, mapainit man yan. Sana all perfect. Ihanap lang tayo ng coffee shop. Bili daw si Kuya Kahil ng kanom kok. Made of rice flour. Thai coconut pancake, guys. Ayan, ganyan siya paggawa, oh. Pakita ko sa inyo, ha. Very, very nice. This is Thai coconut pancake. Kapunak, ha. Kahil, kamanak. Maasa na siya.
free free trying ka. Look chuk, katong dito katong
Ah,
katong
hi.
gelatin na oh. Nice ka you.
Look, chup.
Huwag matong kamot.
They are copying the fruits. Nice. How does kanom choy taste? Ha? Hot? You love it? Yung appetite ni Kuya Kahil kasi talaga mabilis. Tsaka mabilis siya nakakagusto sa pagkain, guys. Adventurous si Kuya Kahil, hindi po siya mapili. Kaya maganda siyang kasama i-travel kasi talagang nai-immerse niya yung kultura tsaka yung pagkain.
constructive view of the panoramic Bangkok landmarks and a memorable nights on Chao Phraya Princess. Thank you.
Ready?
Stay here, guys. Don't
One,
want to
two,
go
three,
outside. If you like to go outside,
Look at the
you can use the doors at the back. Okay? And of course, if you like to dance, if you like to have fun, yes, of course, even for everyone, just invite.
Alright guys, right now medyo maingay po ng konti, no? Pero katabi kami ng speaker at saka ng mga singer at yung kanilang singer dito ay Filipino. Yes, ganun po yung diskarte dito sa abroad. Pagkatapos magtrabaho sa umaga, trabaho ulit sa gabi. So kung teacher ka sa umaga, pwede kang mag-singer sa gabi or pwede kang mag-extra kung musician ka man kasi marami din naghahanap dito ng mga musician. So for dinner, kumuha na kami ng food. This is what I have. Yes guys, patay gutom ako talaga guys. Meron ako ditong pad thai, meron akong Thai fish cake, then meron ako ditong spinach, meron akong pickled na ginger, then mixed vegetable. Kumuha na rin ako ng konting meat at saka sushi. Si mama din, ayan na kanya. And si Kuya Kahil. Maprutas na guys, habang kumakain po ako'y nagpapadede, dapat multitask tayo. Pero by far, this is a really good dinner. Ayan, ito po ay by Chao Phraya. Chao Phraya, ito po ay from Chao Phraya Cruise. So far, their food is really, really good. Meron kasing iba guys no na mahal lang pero hindi masarap yung pagkain, pero dito I saw that they are very organized, their food is amazing, they have a lot of options, as in ang daming options guys. They tried to make it international but I saw a lot of Thai food which I really really love. Etong fish cake guys, paborito ko to dito sa Thailand and I found it there, so I Alright guys, alis na tayo. Bye Chao Phraya Princess. We had so much fun. Pauwi na kami guys sa wakas. Time check 10 PM, Thailand time. Kapaw. Kapaw means bag in Thai. So, nagantay kami dito guys, nagantay kami sa hagdanan kasi sobrang traffic ngayon kahit na alas 11 na dahil nagkaroon ng extension ng celebration ng Thailand New Year. Ayan po, sobrang daming tao at matraffic kahit ganitong oras. So para kaming basang sisiw na nagantay ng aming Uber. Pero ngayon nakakita na kami guys. Malayo pa yung bahay namin eh. Mga more than 30 minutes. So dadaan lang tayo ma'am. Okay, dadaan lang kami ng tollway para mas mabilis. Pero ganito talaga ang buhay dito sa Bangkok guys. Ayan, dapat patient ka talaga kasi ang daming ang daming tao lalo na kapag ka merong mga event kasi bagsakan ng mga tourist. Kaya sobrang busy ng mga daan lalo na dito sa Bangkok. Pas yung itsura mo na sobrang fresh. Pagkatapos ng ganap-ganap ninyo guys, laspag ka na talaga left and right.
An eternity later.
Hi guys, so kapoy. Mayumi and Kuya Kahil are so tired.
I'm not. I drank so much Coca-Cola.
Ang mama ko guys nasa hindi na nakabangon guys. Kahil? What did we do today? The bus tour. You enjoyed. How? Okay, let's talk about the boat cruise. Chowpaya boat cruise. What did you enjoy? Yeah. Which part? Dancing. We dance what? Opa.
Gangnam Style.
I didn't know you could do like that.
Sexy baby.
Don't tell me you're going for disco without me. And Mayumi and I, we also danced. You went upstairs to Mami Sheena and Lola, and Mayumi and I danced like this. We were doing Bruno Mars.
Grabbed the glue from its grave. It fell so hard that it throbbed right out of my hand and fell to the ground. Go boom, go boom.
I think he's scared. I think she's scared. You're going to put him to sleep. Why do I say him?
Stay still, I shrieked. Snatching it up, the girl stared at me. Its tiny round eyes glowed red with evil. I shivered. I gritted my teeth and shoved the gruel into the pocket of my new sweatshirt. I trudged back to the house.